you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's Glossybox to show you guys and to tell you about something exciting that they're doing in this month's box only. Do you guys want to know what that exciting thing is and what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received January's Glossybox. This is for 2021. Glossybox does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this month they're doing something exciting, you guys, and I'm so excited that I get to tell you guys about it, and I'm honored to be a part of this to show you guys. So 18 random boxes are going out this month that will have a golden ticket inside. They did send me a golden ticket to show you guys, and they also sent me the products to show you what you would receive as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So again, here is the pink box. This is their standard pink box that they do. When you open it up, if you are one of the 18, you will have your golden ticket right there. That is so cool. Now, if you do get this, it will have all of the information on the back on how to redeem it for a hair care set for $111 value. You get it for free if you get one of these tickets. So again, if you do get one of those 18 tickets in the box and you are one of those lucky random winners, that's awesome. The $111 set is going to be right here, you guys. So this is going to be the set. Very neat little packaging, let me tell you. So this set is from Raincry. So here's the packaging on the first item. This is the shampoo. And this guy here is an 8 ounce and it values for $35. How cute. I like the packaging and how it sits inside like that. So here's the actual product and it says, believe the hype. Regenerating shampoo uses advanced plant stem cell technology to help rejuvenate your scalp for stronger rooted, more vibrant hair. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, CBD oil contains powerful antioxidants that help protect your hair and scalp against free radical damage that can cause weakness and breakage. Your hair after each use, providing you with healthier, noticeable recharge strands. That is really cool. I love a good shampoo and conditioner, especially when it's a repairing. So I'm so excited to try that out. So then the next item is going to be the conditioner. The conditioner is going to be an 8 ounce as well. This one is valued at $38. That is what the packaging looks like. And this one says, repairing conditioner uses CBD oil to help reinforce and protect damaged hair and regenerate your scalp for total repair from roots to ends. Concentrated jasmine extracts deeply reconstructs hair by depositing rich conditioning agents and sealing in hydration. Advanced plant stem cell technology assists with follicle recovery for a healthier rooted system that will help decrease breakage and restore elasticity for stronger rejuvenated hair. That sounds amazing. And let's give this a little sniff. There is a seal, but I love good scented. Ooh, that does smell good. Ooh, that has a different scent to it, but it does smell really good. I'm so excited to actually try this. Now, the third product in that set is going to be the Rebuild Bond Repair. This is a 5.1 fluid ounce, and this is valued for $38. Targeted therapy, Rebuild Bond Repair is an advanced leave-in that targets damaged bonds and is designed to strengthen and repair hair by rebuilding the cortex and cuticle bonds. Using a cutting-edge blend of collagen peptides, CBD oil, and lotus flower, this lightweight formula also helps to seal in moisture and protect your hair from the inside out, defending against breakage and split ends for ultra strong, healthy strands. So using all three of these products together sounds like it's definitely going to help rebuild and strengthen your hair. So I'm super, super excited to use these. So again, 18 lucky winners are going to win this entire set for this month if you get the golden ticket, you guys. So again, I'm so honored to be able to show you guys what you would win if you do get one of those 18 random tickets. And if you guys are interested in signing up, this month they have my link to give you your very first box for only $16, and they have free international shipping. So you can get this very box for $16 and a chance to have a golden ticket inside for $111 value. awesome. So when you first open up the January box, you have your brochure right on top. You have your classic black ribbon that's always in here, tissue paper, and that's, ooh, look at that big boy. And that's what it looks like this month, you guys. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Ooh, I'm so excited about this big guy. Look at this big old thing. It's a purifying cleansing solution, and that is a really big bottle. That's a 16.7 fluid ounce, you guys. That's a big one. No wonder why the box didn't shut all the way, because this guy. And it says that this is a value of $14.90, and you can get this from lookfantastic.com. And it says the best-selling Micellar water cleanses the skin by removing dirt and debris, purifying and limiting sebum creation for the freshest feeling. That's, again, that is a big guy, so that's awesome that we got that in here, and it's for $14.90, almost what you can get this entire box for. All right, you guys, so now we have is a lightweight facial lotion. Ooh, that sounds amazing. This right here is a full size. This is valued for $34. So this is well over the entire box. And don't forget, there's free international shipping. So this is a 2-ounce, 60 ml bottle. And for this, it says 99% natural and 100% vegan. This moisturizer is rich in antioxidants to defend your skin from damaging free radicals and doubles as a makeup primer. So that's cool. You can put this on in the morning. You're moisturizing and priming your face, and then you can go ahead and put on your makeup for the day. That's cool. So, so that's what it looks like. There's not really a scent to it. If I were to say anything, I'm smelling like a slight citrusy kind of smell to it, but nothing overpowering, nothing too strong, but that does feel really nice. So I think that would feel amazing on my face in the morning, especially to double it as a primer. So there's this guy, and again, this is valued over the entire box, you guys. Okay, so next we have is a Coors Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. And this is a deluxe mini. The deluxe mini is a 20 ml and it values for $10. The full size is 100 ml and it would value for $49, and you can get that from lookfantastic.com. This is Greek yogurt probiotic superdose face mask. This probiotic mask with real Greek yogurt rehydrates, reduces redness, and rebalances skin's natural protective layer in just one use. That's awesome. In just one use. And if you're putting this on your face, I'm sure you can actually use this a couple times if you put a thin layer on. So that's a good size, and it's a $10 mini deluxe sample. So then next we have is high maintenance peeling mask. Oh, so we have another mask here. This is a deluxe mini. This is a 20 ml valued for $20. The full size is a 50 ml valued for $46. You can find it at lookfantastic.com. Purify, resurface, and smooth your skin with this peeling mask formulated with cannabis sativa seed oil, organic plant seed, and antioxidants. Apply to clean, damp skin and massage in a circular motion for a few minutes, and then rinse with a warm cloth. That's awesome. So that's cool that we have two different types of face masks. I'm totally into skincare, so I love when we get anything that is skincare. So now we have is a Smarter CBD, how refreshing, Zolt. This is a hemp drink mix, balance your everyday equilibrium. It's a coconut, it's a shake. Shake your booty. It's a coconut flavor, and if you follow me, I can handle the scent of coconut, but I cannot handle the taste of coconut. So I will go ahead and have maybe my man try this out and see how he likes it. But it looks like there's several different flavors back there. So I might actually check out maybe some other flavors or something, because they have it for Rise, Boost, Dial Up, Balance, Dreamy. So it looks like they have several different things depending on what you're trying to achieve for the day. This one is for Balance. And it is, again, coconut. Shake, shake, shake. This is one stick. It's valued for $3.20. A pack of 10 is $32, and you can get it from heyzolt.com. Rise and balance performance mentally and physically with a perfect dose of pure hemp delivered CBD. It's a vegan drink, is made with organic sweeteners and artificial flavors. If it was any other flavor, it probably would definitely be jumping all over that to try it, but I just don't like coconut, so I will go ahead and give it to somebody who does. So then the last item in here is reusable rounds, and I really do like these because they're washable and you can just reuse them. So that's really cool that we got a package in here. There's 2 of them in here. It's a 2-pack, and this values for $10. And you can get this from afterSpaBeauty.com. And it's perfect for all skin types. Let me open this up and I'll show you. Ooh, they're big. They're big ones. These are a lot bigger than the ones that I have, like holy moly. But they are reusable, and you just wash them and just reuse them. So there you go. There's that. And again, these are valued for $10 for these 2. So that is awesome, you guys. That is everything that came in this box. I'm really loving this month's box. So a quick recap, we have the reusable rounds. We have 2 different face masks. We have a moisturizer for our face, which doubles as a primer. You have a little shake drink to try out with CBD that should help you concentrate or stay balanced during the day. And then we have this big ol' micellar water right here. That is amazing. And don't forget, 18 lucky winners are going to have this in their box, which they will redeem for this entire Raincry set valued at $111. Whew, that is awesome. If any of you guys get one of those tickets, definitely let me know. I would love to know if you guys got this and won the golden ticket. That would be amazing. So that is everything that I have to show for this January box, and to tell you about the amazing opportunity that 18 lucky people are going to be getting. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Glossybox, I will let you know right now. Again, my link down below will get your very first box for only $16. But if you just do month to month, it's normally $21 per month. Again, free international shipping. If you buy multiple subscriptions, you get it cheaper. So if you go all the way to like a 12-month plan, you will end up getting this box for $18 per month. You can cancel at any time. Again, free shipping, international. And this box is supposed to give you a valued worth of over $60 to $70 every month, which most of the time you do end up getting more than that, but that is our guaranteed worth. So at the very most, you pay $21 unless you prepay, or if you use my code, you get your very first box for $16. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what do you think of Glossybox? Have you tried Glossybox? Do you want to try Glossybox now? Are you gonna sign up this month so you can try to get this golden ticket? Let me know. All your positive interaction down below means the world. I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.